Hello, welcome to part 2. Now we have a better view so you can see both me and the whole ring. So we still have Randy Orton in the ring. We still have Stone Cold in the ring. And of course, John Cena is still in this ring. So now we begin. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's Dusty Rhodes! Dusty Rhodes is in the match now. He's gonna step into the ring. I know, I always have problems, so I'll just come over the top. Dusty Rhodes goes right after John Cena. Elbow! Oh my goodness, the ring just shook from that elbow, and now Randy Orton is down. He's just looking at the carnage. But Stunner! I know, he's out of the thing, but he's high in the air. Oh, there goes Dusty Rhodes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sorry. Viva la raza! Eddie Guerrero! Eddie Guerrero! Fishes Orton into the ring. But then he runs into a problem with Cena. Oh my goodness! What's Cena gonna do outside of the ring? Eddie Guerrero on hand. Oh! Eddie Guerrero sent flying into the ring post. Oh! Oh! Eddie Guerrero eliminates John Cena. So John Cena will not win because both of them. Just saying, I have 2 Takers, 2 Cenas, 2 Christians, 2 Kofi Kingstons, 2 Deans, 2 Shawn Michaels, and 2 Chris Jerichos. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. It's Y2J! Speaking of Chris Jericho, it's Chris Jericho! Just as he's out of the ring. Just as Orton's out of the ring. Code Breaker! Oh, what's he planning? Lion Salt to all 3 of them! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. It's Kevin Owens! Even though Stone Cold is still in here, the best of the wrestlers have not still came in. Pop-up powerbomb to Jericho! Yay! Oh my goodness! Y2J just eliminated Kevin Owens! What just happened? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. It's Ted DiBiase Jr. He's ready to face off. Oh, he has Eddie Guerrero. Oh, he's hanging on to the metal ropes. He's with the metal ropes. He puts Jericho on the top. Orton at the bottom. Double knees to Guerrero. Guerrero does not get eliminated. Oh my goodness! That's an upset! That's an upset! What an upset! Ted DiBiase has just eliminated Chris Jericho! What are you doing, man? I thought we were Legacy! Oh yeah, I forgot that. Oh my goodness! Randy Orton and DiBiase reuniting as Legacy! Oh! Randy Orton just eliminated DiBiase! Oh, come on! Come on! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and then the 5, and then the 4, and then the 3, and then the 2, and then the 1. Do I have Daniel Bryan! Daniel Bryan is in the Royal Rumble match! Yay! To Orton. Like I said, I'm biased to say my favorites. Daniel Bryan is one of my favorites. So, I'm gonna have him rallying the whole entire thing. Oh! Suicide dive! And every single time I do a Royal Rumble match, then Daniel Bryan is in the final two. Oh, yeah, I was eliminated. This is my first one on YouTube. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and then a 4. Goes and then a 3. Goes and then a 2. Goes and a 1. It's one of my Michaels! It's Michaels! Just saying, if I do not let Michaels do anything in this match, it's just because, look it, gonna leave it there, and that goes back. And, then twist his waist, goes back, automatically. It's not good. But I might let him have one elimination, I'm not sure. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's Earthquake. Earthquake is in the match. Earthquake picks up Orton. Oh, the avalanche. The avalanche. So, Orton. Oh! He doesn't pay attention to Michaels! Oh, Michaels with a super kick. Or sweet chin music per se. And there goes Earthquake. Yeah. Oh! Randy Orton! Goes from behind! RKO! Oh! Michaels is eliminated. It's not, I'm going to do my best to go with the best people. Oh, slide! Oh! Owie! 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 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All go together, that's it. It's Kamala! Kamala's in the match! And he steps over the top rope. RKO! Everybody's down, but Orton's standing. Yeah! It's up to you. Oh my goodness, an RKO by Bryan. An RKO by Bryan. Oh, and then the knee. Then the knee. They're just trading each other's moves. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, he rams him into the ring post. He rams him into the ring. DDT. Oh my goodness. What's he doing? What does he plan to do? Oh my goodness. Daniel Bryan is out. Well, not really. Oh, he does the names. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 5 my feet. 3, 2, 1. I have you guys. Boy! Two big men. He's gonna do a crossbody. No. Power slam. Kamala is eliminated. Yeah, that's what you get. Ow! Stunner dog. Strowman. I almost said Stunner Austin. Oh my goodness. Oh! Oh! That's the knees! Oh my goodness! Bryan and Orton still fighting it out on the outside. Oh my goodness! Whisper in the wind! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold on, you can see. Well, you can really see him, but yeah, he's the one that was below. It's Nash! Kevin Nash! Why does he go back out? Oh my goodness! He's going for Orton! And Daniel Bryan! I'm sorry, it's me going. That's better. Square now. Kevin Nash! Big boot to Strowman! Oh my goodness! Braun Strowman! Please. Run! Oh my goodness. OMG. OMG. Oh, Braun Strowman. Bucky doesn't know where Orton is. He's looking for Orton. He's looking for Orton. Oh, he's behind him. RKO. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's Xavier Woods, the second member of the New Day. Oh! And he's just tearing his foot up. He's just tearing Nash's foot up. Nash is so hurt. Oh! Sorry. Ring post. Ring post. Better fix it. Braun Strowman just ran over Xavier Woods and then runs over Nash. Nash is still stuck. Braun Strowman making his way back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's Goldust! Oh my goodness! Goldust! He slides into the ring, but meets a stunner by Austin. Goldust not out yet. Hang on, both feet touching? Yes, they are. Goldust is in the ring. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I didn't look. It's Damien Mizdow. Everybody is just taking lariats at Nash on their way in. Ow! I'm now out. Oh my goodness! Stunner! These are eliminated. Damien's out. He's one of my favorites. Remember I said I tried not to be as biased last time? Or this time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's Jack Swagger! Swagger! DDT to Nash! Oh, Nash is set free. Nash is set free. He's about to do neckbreaker. Oh, Nash! Oh my goodness. Nash did not just eliminate Jack Swagger. You're welcome, Xavier. Oh my goodness. Oh! Swagger's not eliminated yet. I didn't control this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's Razor Ramon! Razor Ramon! Will they high five? Yes! NWO is reuniting! Everybody, you better watch out, cause NWO is back! Jackknife to Woods! The Razor Ramon, Razor's Edge to Austin. Woods, oh my goodness, they're just beating everybody up now. Rah. Yeah. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Will it be another NWO member? No, it's Tyson Kidd. It's Kidd. Tyson Kidd. Kidd's one of my favorites. Just saying. Ow! Ow! He punches Nash in the face. Oh, can he eliminate NWO single-handedly? No, he can't. No, you can't. Ow! Oh my goodness! Tyson's eliminated. He tried his hardest, but he's banging at the ring posts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who cares? Oh, I have my hand on both of them. It's the